Hey guys, my name is Tumisho Selaledi. I'm from the Society of Road Safety Ambassadors. Last year, we had an opportunity to present our project proposal at the Impact Generator Challenge. We got different support. The first support was a $5,000 grant, which was towards our project. The second support was a mentorship program. We got mentored from the start of our project to the end in order for our project to be successful. The third support that we got was an advocacy platform. We had to meet our Minister of Transport, which was something that was impossible before, but through this project we were able to meet the Minister of Transport. We presented to him about the project, what we found out, what we want to do going forward. Planning a project is something that is not easy, but through the mentorship that we got to learn how to plan a project, and it was really a success. We really learned a lot. Working with people, it's something that we got to learn also because people are different. We got to save lives, we got to make an impact. If we SOSA can do it, so can you. So put forth those project proposals for your local actions and go make those impact and have fun.